Are you done? Are you done massaging me? Huh? Are you done? Come here. Come here. Come here. Look at that. You're so sweet, Ming Ming. You're very sweet. Just lays down beside you. Look at you. See, I told you. Much better to stay inside. Don't go back out again. But you just escaped though. No? When the door is open, you will just see ya, bye, I'm out. See? Staring at me. What? Look at you, look at you, look at that, look at that, look at that whiskers. Look at that whiskers. You're an old woman now. How old are you? 4 years? 5 years? Eh. This is my day when it's my day off.